how to schedule Google Meet in advance. So just go ahead and open up your browser, and we are going to search for Google Meet and hit enter. At the top, you should be able to see the site from meet.google.com. So click on that search, and at the left hand side, click on New Meeting, and we select to schedule in Google Calendar. At the top, you can then set a title that you want for your meeting and also set the date on when the meeting should take place right below the title that you just typed in, as well as the time. Under event details, you can then see the Google Meet link. You can also add a location and up to notify minutes before the meeting starts so that your guests will be notified before the meeting will start. And at the bottom, you can also add a description on what the meeting is about. And at the right hand side, you can then add your guests, and you can also set guest permissions and hit save at the top. And also decide if you want to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest or not. So I'm just going to click on do not send for now, and it will then be reflected on your Google Calendar, and you can then click on it and you can copy the link by clicking on this button, copy the conference info and set it as a message on your other participants if you'd like. And once you click on join with Google Meet, it will then take you to the Meet link wherein you can join the meeting from here. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.